Well, the skies have cleared, Matt, and you wiped the car down. What a beautiful car. What is it?
It's a 1966 Morris Minor.
And did you restore this yourself?
I was part of it, but I had a lot of help.
And why did you choose this car?
This was my first car that I had when I first started driving.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. And so that's a bit of a car that was imported here.
Right, yeah. They, I don't know the exact number that they imported to the States because they put the steering wheel on the left side. Mm-hmm. You'll see a lot of them in the States that still have the wheel on the steering wheel on the right side, though. Yeah.
And the engine is just a 4-cylinder?
4-cylinder. It's about 35 horsepower out of the box, and I think my lawnmower probably has a little more. But
yeah, I think mine's about 42 or something. Yeah, that's funny, isn't it?
Right.
But it gets the car. Do you drive it on the highway?
Yeah, it'll get up to about 65, 70. So it's not great to be, push it at that speed. It likes to run about 55, 60 is comfortable for it.
Beautiful interior. Is that you had it restored to the stock level, or is it better than stock?
The interior is the original design with the white in the middle and the blue on the outside. So
I think it's awesome that that the speedometer's in the center, although it's bad because your passenger's constantly telling you about slowing down. Right?
Yeah, well, maybe more like go a little faster.
Go a little faster in this one, right?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful color that you chose for this, or was it the stock color?
That was the original stock color.
Really?
Yeah, I can't remember the original stock color name, but it's we just went with the same color. Yeah.
And the wheels you chose, I know they're later model wheels, but they really fit the personality of the car well.
We took a lot of time looking at different wheels and debating, and finally we found this wheel and we thought, yeah, we really like that one, so we went with it. Yeah.
And the fit and finish on the restoration is just fantastic.
Yeah. MPB Restorations out of Willis did most all the body work and the paint. Mm-hmm. And they're really great guys over there. Yeah, good team. You have other cars? Are you a car person? I mean, is that your thing? I'm not really a big collector, but I do have cars. I have a 71 El Camino and a 65 Barracuda, and I have another one of these. It's hasn't been restored, but yeah. So yeah, but that's it. My wife says no more. I can't buy no more. Yeah, they always ask how many cars you need, and it's always one more than I got. Right. That's a good answer.